big 24-ounce.
Oh yeah. It's huge.
Yeah, your widest lens wouldn't be able to handle that.
My phone's my only recording, filming here.
Hey, I mean, if your phone gets the wide angle, right? You can
Yeah. Oh. Hey. Hey.
Third time I've been back.
Yeah, I've been here the entire day at the spot.
Let's see, I was here League of Legends and I came back. And now I'm back the third time.
Fighting games, then League of Legends. What else? Disney Extended Universe.
I was here for
Then there was JoJo.
JoJo, yeah. Then when I went back and
Extended universe, and then Marvel.
Yeah, and so forth. Anything involving Disney, you know. Hope y'all ready, because it's time for Chainsaw Man.
Oh, there was Bleach.
Oh yeah, Bleach.
Yeah, I was there for the Bleach part.
Then after that,
JoJo and Bleach.
yeah, after that, next was Fire Emblem, and
Yeah,
that was pretty tight.
That's when I left.
They talking about overcrowding. Oh, Genshin Impact was the most overcrowding. It filled up the entire space from right all the way to the left.
I don't know, this series' costumes are a little more ordinary. Well, that's maybe...
I always enjoy the Chainsaw Man though from everyone else. It's very, very interesting. My first Chainsaw Man cosplay was at Anime Los Angeles, obviously, this year.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've never seen this show, so...
It's pretty cool, depending on your point of view. Oh, we got some dancers? Oh, I like that. Honestly, if I didn't leave my if I didn't leave my music pad at home, I would have like played the openings and end. I would play the opening and end all the opening and all the endings.
Oh, now is definitely the time.
Yeah, because I was in a rush because I didn't want to lose any parking space, you know, because I know it gets really packed like once around 10 or 12 or yeah.
Yeah, oh, the parking is brutal.
That's why I woke up early and then tried to leave, but I left around like 9 o'clock, so I got oh dear, I was worried.
Now it definitely would have been fun.
Nice tray.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Wait, so, you know what's funny?
Well, if you screw up, you can go to Anime Expo and try to like do whatever mistake you made.
Yeah.
So.
That is never a sentence in my life I thought you would ever.
Kobeni, nice to see you. Yet very dangerous, you're very unpredictable the first time I saw you. Oh dear. I was like, oh my. They say when one's pressured, they show their true selves.
I'm gonna lose my spot. I'm staying right here.
Good idea. Well, if they ever need an announcer help, I'm always here to help.
It's more important I stay here. Put on your hat.
Who's the main character?
Denji, and then
Wait, which, like, the guy in the yellow?
yeah, Denji, and then the one who's a Chainsaw Man.
Oh, okay.
I forgot the other guy's name. I'm so stupid. It's been so long. He's the other MC. Followed by Power, and Power's the one with the little tiny devilish horns.
Gathering needs some more conversation. That guy needs a microphone.
Group photo. Let's start a group photo. Try to bunch up together if you can. Have the shortest people in the front, sorry. Try not to block the doorway.
Get the bunch together.
Who's the host? If I can find the host, I can lend him or her my. Hey, who's the host so I can lend you my megaphone?
Yell on the megaphone.
Can you ask for the host?
Who's the host here so I can lend you my megaphone? Okay, it looks like they ain't answering. Try to bunch in together if you can. Try to be visible as best you can as well. Oh man, this is going to be difficult.
There's a guy with 150 people.
Counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second pose.
Next pose. Power.
Oh man. My videos are better.
Limit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, should we have all Denjis first? Not another pose, man. We already have too many people for another pose. 2 at most could be the max, or have just
Public safety. Anyone that works for public safety.
public safety, public safety, public safety. Oh, that's actually a bad thing. This is gonna be a lot. Public safety. If you are from public safety, please stay. We're gonna... Nice DDR pad. All right, get into your positions whenever you're ready. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second pose. Goofy, or anything. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
You're gonna back up for the next shoot too. Huh? Back up for the next shoot, so there's more.
If you could try to back up for the next shoot. If you could try to back up for the next shoot, that'd be very great. That'd be most appreciated for all photographers.
Does that count part 2 doubles?
I
just gave you the question of the hour.
I'm trying to figure it out right now. Sorry. Get away from the door. Get away from the door if you can. All right, pick a pose. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second pose, goofy or try to strangle each other. Alright, when you guys are ready, I'll start the countdown in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hybrids, all hybrids. Let's have all hybrids. You know what I'm talking about. Katana Man, Chainsaw Man, I don't know. It's been so long. Well, it has only been about a couple months. Our lovely bloody witch. I'll show you. Ouch. Alright, try to group together if you can and back up if you could for the photographers or anyone else who's recording and filming.
Anyone who is not in the shot, get out.
Alright, if you're not in the shot, sorry, please get out. Try to become visible, like sit down some of you, and make sure you pose nicely. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second pose. Dance pose. How about a dance pose? 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. All right, let's have our boy Denji up here. The ball buster. The ball buster. All right, try to bunch up together and sit down if you can. If try to bunch up together, become visible as you can. All the Chainsaw Mans in the back if you can, sorry. All right. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. James pose. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Power, come out. Come out, power. Cat lover. Cat lover. That's why you have those cat ears. Meowie. Wait, is that a pochicha? Is that supposed to be a cat? No, I mean, no, never mind. Sorry, you can kill me later.
Wait, guys. You guys are cosplaying. Is that table side so this space is not?
Can you try it back up a bit? You know what? Yeah. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second pose. Praise the cat! Praise the cat! Praise the cat! Meowie, meowie! Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Akis! You want me? Let me know. Just let me know if I get in the way, okay? Aki, you really got some nice dark blue hair right there, man. Are you Sonic? Try to bunch up together if you can.
We can have some come over here. Hey, some of you come this way. Shift to the left.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, the sword. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Makima, the blood witch, the bloody devil. I call it the bloody devil for a reason.
You guys can take a couple of steps back. Right over that. Take a couple of steps back, guys. Take a couple of steps back, please.
Try to bunch up together if you can, okay? Scooch in, scooch in.
Guys, we want at least 2 rows. 2 rows at least.
2 rows. Some of you sit if you want.
Guys, come on in.
Maki, Maki. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second pose. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Himeno! Himeno!
Just also take a few steps back so then we have a more centered area.
What's up?
Can I request that everyone else take a few steps back so we have a more centered area?
Everyone, can you all take a few steps back, except the Jimenos, please, so we have it more center? Oh!
Guys, come in closer.
Come in closer if you can. All right. Counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You lost your legs. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kobenes, our unpredictable girl. Yes, yes, agreed. The deodorant devil made me make a contract with them to do. Two and 1. Change poses. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rize or Bomb Devil, Bomb Devil.
Guys, squeeze in.
Try to squeeze in if you can. Try to squeeze in if you can. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Five, 1. Oh snap. The toy breaker! The toy breaker! my toys. Pochita! Woo! Hey, treat Pochita with respect! Oh, wow! Dude, I gotta get myself a Pochita plushie doll. Okay, that is original right there, who I was sticking out. Sleep like a dog. Seven, six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Angel devils, angel devils. Come out, angel devils. Say Pochita. All right, try to scooch in, back up, please.
Take a couple more steps back, guys.
Couple more steps back, 4 steps back if possible. Okay, there we go. If you can bunch up together if you can, scooch in. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change poses if you can. That's if you can. The fallen angel! The fallen angel! Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Me? What? Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Next pose. Clash. Just kidding.
Dragon Ball Fusion. Fusion dance.
I hope you did that for full money.
One.
Hey, anybody want a head?
That's about 18 plus.
Is it just Asa or is both Asa and Dora? Same brain, same difference.
We have some more people on this side.
Alright, scooch down a bit if you can. Scooch a little bit to your left. Scooch over to your left. There you go. Good job. 2 rows. That's a lovely head you have there. Three, two, and one. Yoshida. Woo! I thought a balloon popped. I'm like, what happened?
That'd be so cool. They're so far away.
Second pose. Shit. Fami? What about Fami?
That's my sister.
Woo! Five. Oh, it's that snake girl. You're that snake girl. Snake devil girl, I don't know. Yeah, right? Seth, you're missing a fingernail. What happened?
I think she just realized that she's missing the fingernail.
Do a meme. Do a meme. It's okay. It's done.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up next, we're gonna go through shifts. When I get
Oh, my beloved.
All right. All right, try to make about 2-3 rows and back up a bit if you can. Try not to block the doorway. About 2 to 3 rows if possible.
Short people in the front, guys.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball kicker! Someone kick him in the balls!
Wow! Don't bring guns to a snowball fight.
Alright, let's get the powers and Denjis. Alright, if you guys can, make 2 to 3 rows and step back a bit. Make sure everyone could be visible. Try to make 2 to 3 rows if you can. 3 would be the best if you can. Some sit down. Oh, okay, this works.
We need you guys to move back, guys.
Can you move back a bit? How many steps would you like them to go?
It's up to them.
Okay.
He, I don't know if we can do
Try to be visible if you can. I didn't realize that giant hammer or mallet you had right there. Dance pose if you can. Woo! 2, 1. Denji and Makima! Each Denji for Makima or every Makima for Denji? Looking nice. Try to make 3 rows if you can, you know. Back up a bit if you can. Try and make 3 rows if you can.
Guys, counting down.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lap pillow, lap pillow, lap pillow. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, clear up, clear up. Yo, you sure you don't want to? You sure you don't want to borrow a megaphone? Okay. Oh!
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
I got that all on film. I didn't think. I thought he was just a player. And I'm like, oh wait, is this for real? I'm like, oh wow. I got that all on film.
Spinning blade. Spinning blade. Chainsaw Man with the blades out. Chainsaw Man versus the katana blade. Katana demon. Devil. Maybe next time.
Wow, I was like, wait, what's going on? I'm pretty sure this was a play. I'm like, no, they're kissing. I'm like, oh, congratulations.
Yeah, katana versus chainsaw. Katana versus chainsaw. Woo!
I always found the Katana Devil to be very cool. It's too bad he's a bad guy. He was very unique, almost like the Chainsaw Man, you know, like equal.
Genji and Pochita. I always enjoy hearing you talking about your dream.
Anything if I die?
Woo! Woo! 2, 1. Value your pochita. Value your pochita. Woo! Woo!
Four horsemen! Four horsemen! Power and protect please.
Yeah.
Hey, if possible, can we do Power and Pochita? A request? Power and Pochita if possible.
If possible, Mr. Host, if we could get Power and Pochita. The barfing kiss! The barfing kiss!
Hey man, I'm not gonna lie, when that barf kiss came up, I almost threw up and I was glad I didn't eat anything. I was very close to throwing it. I was like, oh my gosh. It was just that, if it wasn't censored, I think I would have really ran to the restaurant. It was just that bad. I was like, oh man, they did a good job though.
You know, I can't get that image out of my head. I feel like Flora Pimento and Aki, yeah!
This match would be a 18th class cosplay gathering.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm trying.
Hey, Mr. Host, if possible, can we get a power and pochita later?
Yeah, I'm really trying. Yeah.
Can you guys step a bit back?
You must never use your sword.
Everybody take a step back.
Alright, counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we get Aki and Angel Devil?
Oh dear.
Hey. The guy down there, I believe, the one over there next to the, right there, the one in the black next to, between the two people in white, the one in the black.
Everybody take a couple steps back.
If possible, make 3 rows and take a couple steps back. If we can have some Aki sit and have the Angel Devil stand up knowing that those wings are very valuable. Or it doesn't. Change pose. Whoa! Now that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Power and pochita. Power and pochita. Any leftover pochitas or any plushy pochitas, please.
Nikki!
I got that. Have we done the Angel and Denji already? Well, we still got a lot of time anyway. All right, one more group photo. One more group photo.
Oh, sorry. All photographers, pull back.
If possible, make many rolls as you can.
Taking a photo. Get off the floor.
Everyone pull back.
Alright, counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh man.
3, 2, 1. Change poses.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Counting down. Oh, not yet. Counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Woo! If you got your tickets, there's a raffle about to happen with the co-host.
What? Mr. Beast? Oh my God, Mr. Beast!
All right, thank you very much, everyone. I'll be sure to upload this tonight as fast as I can.
I'm gonna upload it onto YouTube. Oh, okay, YouTube.